Hello everyone, hope all are doing well. So yesterday in last class we discussed about the saponification, esterification reactions. Today I am going to discuss the soap formation, parts of soaps, cleansing action of soap and the difference between the soap and detergent. So first I will discuss about the saponification reaction. Yesterday also I discussed about the saponification reaction. Saponification reaction. The reaction which is used for the formation of soap is called saponification reaction. So I'll write the reaction here first. So this is an ester. How ester is formed? The reactions between ethanol and ethanoic acid togetherly they call them, it will make as a ester. Now this ester is reacting with a sodium hydroxide or a base, and then it is forming ethanol plus ethanoic acid. Okay, so this sodium hydroxide, it breaks down the ester in the ethanol and the ethanoic acid, and this reaction is used for the formation of soap, so we call it as a saponification reaction. Now I'll discuss about the soap molecule. Okay, so what is the formula of soap? There are number of formula for a soap, but I will just discuss about this molecule, this formula of soap molecule, that is a common C17H35. So this is the formula of soap. Okay, so what is the soap definition? Soap is a sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. Okay, so soap is a sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. We call it as a soap. This is the definition of soap. Okay, so I'll discuss about the soap, its cleansing action. Now first I'll discuss about the parts of soap. Parts of soap. So in parts of soap, in that two parts are there. One is hydrophobic end and one is hydrophilic end. So the formula of soap is C17H35. So it can be written in this form. This is the ionic part and this is the carboxylic end. This is the carboxylic part. This is the ionic part. Okay, so this carboxylic part we just call it as a hydrophobic. It attracted towards a dirt. This part, this ionic part, it has ions, sodium and potassium. So this we call it as ionic part, and it is a hydrophilic end. It attracted towards water. Okay, so this water is hydrophilic end because it is attracted towards the water, this ionic part, and this is repelling with water and it is attracted towards a dirt, so we call this end as a hydrophobic part. Now we'll discuss the cleansing action of soap, how it works. This carboxylic acid part or hydrophobic dirt, now we can see here, this is a dirt. We know it is oily in nature, so now this hydrophobic part, it will encircle. So this hydrophobic part, it will encircle and they will try to remove this dirt. And here this is a water, ionic part which is attracted towards water. This we call it as a hydrophilic, and this is a hydrophobic part. So once it hydrophobic part, it will remove the dirt. Togetherly they will form as a emulsion process. Hydrophobic dirt and hydrophilic or ionic part plus water, togetherly we call them as a emulsion. So we can write step by step. We can write the steps for the cleansing action of soap. First, we'll discuss the parts of soap, that is the hydrophilic and hydrophobic part. So hydrophilic end of the soap. Hydrophilic end of soap. It will attract towards. It will attract towards water. It will attract towards water. And hydrophobic part, it will attract towards dirt. And this hydrophobic part only pull out dirt. Pull out dirt. And ionic part plus water plus ionic part plus water plus dirt, togetherly it called as a emulsion. Okay, so this is the cleansing action of soap. So we can write step by step parts of soap. Already we discussed about the soap, parts of soap, as well as the cleansing action of soap. Next we'll discuss about the scum. What is the scum? Scum means once if anyone is taking bath, after by applying soap, in that time that foam is formed. That foam or white precipitation we can call. That is only we just call it as a scum. And why it is forming? Because sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid, it is reacting with the water containing calcium and magnesium, and because of that scum is forming, and that is not getting dissolved in a water, and because of that soap is less, it has a it has a less has capacity to in case of cleansing. So we can discuss about the soap and detergent. First we discussed about cleansing action of soap we discussed. Now we will discuss about the scum. So scum is a while bathing, that foam is formed. Foam is formed with a difficulty an insoluble substance remains after washing with water. That white precipitation of foam is called scum. Water. Okay, so this is called scum. And why this scum is why scum is forming? So this is caused due to the reaction between soap having sodium and potassium. It is reacting with the calcium and magnesium. It is there in a hard water. So this is called due to the reaction between soap and calcium and magnesium that is present in a hard water. Magnesium, these are present in a hard water. So once these are reacting with the soap, then only it's forming a scum. Next we'll discuss about the micelle formation. What is meant by micelle formation? That is only already discussed about the soap, its cleansing action. So it works in a micelle formation. Now this is the dirt, oily part, and now this hydrophobic part will attract it towards it. These are the hydrophilic part. Ionic part also we can call it as a So these are the ionic part and this is the hydrophobic part. So this hydrophobic part, that encircling surrounding the oil dust particle or dust or dirt, and that is removing from any cloth and together, and that dissolving in a water. So water, dirt and this ionic part together we call it as a emulsion, and like this way they are removing the dirt from the any cloth or substance. So we just call it as a micelle structure. This is discovered by micelle scientists, so we just call it as a micelle formation. So this is the structure of micelle formation. Now we will discuss about the difference between detergent and the soap. Before that we have to discuss about hard water. Already I discussed. In hard water there will be the magnesium and calcium, these two agents will be there. So that is the reason it will work in case of detergent only, not in a case of soft water. So soap and detergent. So soap, it works in a soft water. It works in a soft water. Soft water. It works in hard water. It works in hard water as well as soft water. Hard water, it is having calcium and magnesium, and soft water also it works. And it has a more cleansing action. It has a more cleansing action. Cleaning power. It has a less cleaning power. It has a less cleaning power. So this is the difference between soap and detergent. So preferably detergents is used for the any cleansing action purpose. But so in case of while taking bath, we cannot use detergent because it is a very hard. It will make our skin very hard. So normally we are using soap only. But it depends if you are using hard water or soft water. That time, if you are using in a soft water, then it will be fine. If you are using in a hard water, then scum it forms on our body. So this is the last part of the carbonates compound. So today we finished the carbonates compound lesson. Tomorrow I'll start metals and non-metals. Thank you.